Hey guys, I kind of wanted to show my devotion on how to get houses sold. This particular house is from a client in Munich, Germany. It's in Lorain, Ohio. It's an hour drive from my house. But, you know, they needed it sold, they needed it taken care of. It's a triplex, so I decided to do it and help them out and get this done. But I am really always involved in all my sales. When you look at all these other so-called gurus in the selling industry, they have teams. I don't. I take care of all my own clients. I make sure I answer all the calls, I do all the negotiations, I take care of everything. It's really important when you're doing that, and I drive an hour because this particular was a big property and needed a lot of pictures. So you can see I'm wearing my jacket. It's cold in almost May here in Cleveland, but still, you know, you've got to come out, you've got to know the property, you've got to know what's going on. And with my premium flat fee listing system, as I always advertise, there's no difference between that and a full listing except for the open houses. That's it. Everything else is the same. You get the same marketing, you get more marketing. Actually, you're going to get a lot more attention, and we get houses sold. I've got to go back to my office because I've got 2 new contracts on 2 new properties I just put on the market. So please, give me a call, save some money, get the maximum exposure for your property, because it's how you make the most money. There's no other way to do that, and there's agents out there that know the right people to buy your property. So give me a call. I'm with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. If you're out of the country or out of the area, I'm on WhatsApp. Just look me up, call me from there, and I'll get you taken care of. This one's from Munich, Germany. I'm going to go get her pictures done so I can get her house sold. I just sold one for her in Elyria last month, and helping her get rid of some of her investment properties. So give me a call. I've been doing this. I do hundreds of properties. And again, you get that premium flat fee listing service at $1,800. You can't beat it. 216-703-5740. I got to get back to work. Thanks.